Hello, my name is Abigail Gambrill, and the book I'm going to be talking about is Best Friends by Stephen Kellogg. He is the illustrator and the author. The first page we're going to look at is page 29. If I can get to it. And I chose this page because it stood out to me. Like, it's not something I really would have thought about unless Haley would have mentioned it in her annotations. So she says, this sentence is simple and uses active voice. Kellogg uses this simple structured and three-worded sentence to illustrate the pain and isolation that the character felt. I would have picked up on it that it was like a simple sentence, but I wouldn't have really thought about how it made the pain and isolation of the character like stand out, I guess. So that's something that it brought it to my attention after looking through her annotations. Overall, like, she annotated everything. Like, I couldn't find anything that I would have done differently. And I think she does a good job of picking out the points and talking about how they are active sentences, so it's really engaging to the reader. And overall, I think she did a great job. Thank you.